So let's move to the next thing that we have here. Let's go to here architecture. The next thing is related to ceiling part, right? So let's see how we can apply ceiling. So if we apply ceiling in floor plan level 1 that won't be visible to us, we need to go to the ceiling plans, right? You can switch to ceiling plan level 1 or the level 2 of your floor plan. So I'm switching to this, right? So this is the thing over here, the roof, the fascia we have applied, right? So let me apply ceiling here now. So if I click on ceiling, there are two types of ceiling here. One is called automatic, other one is called sketch ceiling, right? What this automatic ceiling does, it will automatically select the closed region, right? So by default we are in automatic ceiling, and here you can see some type of basic ceiling, compound ceiling. You can choose any of these, right? Since we are in automatic ceiling, if I am moving inside any of the closed region like this, so that will get highlighted by a pink colored line, right? You can check it here. So let's suppose I want to apply a ceiling here. I will click on this point. You can see that type of ceiling, right? Let's suppose here I want to apply a different type of ceiling. Click on this point. Here you can see a different type, right? After that we have here one plain type of ceiling as well. So click on this point. This is your plain ceiling, right? You can choose this as well, that is sketch ceiling part. Click here. You need to sketch the boundary of your room now, right? So let's suppose I'm using this rectangle from here. This is my corner point, right? For this room, right, I have sketched this. If you want a plain type of ceiling, you can keep it, right? If you want to apply any other ceiling, you can choose that, right? And click on this finish button. So that ceiling will be applicable to your room, right? So here let me apply the ceiling to these as well, this one and this, right? After that, once you are done, you can close this. If I go to my 3D view, I cannot see that ceiling, right? If I try to rotate it, you can see that ceiling from the bottom of this particular row, right? This is the ceiling. So if in any case we have applied the flooring as well, so in that case it won't be possible to see that ceiling, right? If you still want to see that ceiling, we have one of camera setting, right? So if you go to your this view tab, in this view tab we have here 3D view. If I click on this point, you can see one option of camera as well. You can place camera anywhere inside your drawing area. So let's suppose I am installing a camera at the corner point of this, right? And here this is the range of my camera, right? So this is the view that is obtained with the help of camera. So you can drag it like this, right? Here we have this one. You can convert this to shaded or realistic as well. Let's change it to realistic. Let's see how it will look. Yes, here you can see the ceiling pattern on the roof, right? So if you want to orbit it, you can also orbit it like this, right? You can move this like, right? So in this way, you can create a camera inside a room, right? So let me add one or two more camera as well. So for that thing, okay, as you install camera, that camera view is available in this 3D view. If you click on this point, right, you can check here 3D view 1. So this is the basic 3D view, and this one is your camera view. So let's go to here level 1, right? Let me install one more camera in this room as well. So go to camera, right? So I'm installing a camera here like this, right? So this is my other room in which I have installed the camera, right? You can check this as well. This is 3D view 2, right? So let's switch it to shaded as well, right? It will look like this. Let's go to our level 1 again, right? And you can go to your ceiling plan level 1. You can check the ceiling inside this room, and this one we have applied our cameras, right? So let's suppose you want to insert some of the ceiling lights as well. So you will go to here, components, place a component, and here we have load families, right? Go to here, lighting system we have. Let's check the lighting, right? Go to architectural type, internal lighting. Here you can check the ceiling lights, right? Here we have ceiling spotlight as well. So you can choose anything, whatever you want. So let's say I'm starting with this ceiling light, right? Open, and I'm going to install some of the ceiling light inside this room like this, right? Like this, we can install these ceiling light, right? And inside this room as well. Here I have inserted some of the ceiling lights. After that, let me load some other type of ceiling light. Let's say spotlight 1. I'm going to install this as well. Let's suppose at this point, here we have installed these, right? After this, let's load some other type. Here we have this one as well. We have downlight, round LED type, right? Table lamp. You can choose any type of light from here, right? You can choose this as well. So here you can install these on your ceiling part, right? Once you click here, it will give you a warning that it won't be visible in that case, right? So let's go with these only, right? So I have created some of the ceiling lights here. If you want to move these, you can directly move like this, right? If you go to your camera view, you will be able to see these lights as well. So let's check the camera view, right? Here we have 3D view too, and you can see these lights, right? You can click on this like this and drag these things. Okay, so you can check all these settings. After that, if you want to see the rendered image of this, right? So you can go to your this view tab again, right? Here we have setting for rendering. So go to here, render, right? So here the lighting scheme that I'm choosing is artificial only, and this is interior lighting. So I'm choosing this interior artificial only, right? Here we have some of the basic setting, that is draft. Whatever the quality of rendering you want, you can choose from here. Accordingly, it will take that time. So I'm going for the only basic rendering, that is draft. So select draft from here. After that, you can click on, right, this rendered option. It will take some time, and it will show you a photographic image of this particular room under the lighting only in the night view. So just wait for a minute until it's get loaded. So it will process like this, right? And here you can check the rendered view of this room with ceiling light, and you can also check the ceiling as well, right? Let's check the processing of this. We have only 6% loaded, right? And this is the view, the rendered view of this particular thing we have over here, right? So in this way, you can obtain the rendered view of different settings, right? You can go with sunlight as well or artificial light as well. It depends upon you. Clear? Right? If you want to see the model, click on show the model, right? In artificial In daylight, it will look like this. If you click on show the rendering, this is the night view rendering. Clear? So I'm closing this rendering setting from here, right? And let's go to our any other view, right? So these are the lights we had installed, right? So for saving the rendered view, it will show the rendered settings. When you render this thing, right, it will add a rendering here, right? A rendered part will be added here. So that will be named rendered view 1. So that will be automatically saved. There is no need to save that, right? So let me show you one more time this. So if you go to here, rendered setting, right, here you can check all these setting, that is draft, whatever the quality of rendered you want, right? After that, if you want to render any specific region, you can click on region, it will activate that region command, right? So I'm keeping this as resolution as screen only. You can change this to printer as well, right? Or this one. After that, you can check this if you don't want any clouds, right? That is for the exterior rendering, this cloud setting, right? For interior, we have lightning and artificial. After that, you can go for rendering simply. So here you can check this rendered view, right? So in this way, you can obtain a rendering of this, right? And here you can see this save to project. Here, when you click on the save to project, here it will be saved to your project browser like this, right? Clear? You need to go here, right? And click OK. It will create a new thing, that is renderings. Click on this button, drop down, you will find that 3D view 2 here, that is your rendered image. Clear?